Hey, look what came in. Por favor. I'm just open it. See what we got. Woo! Dang, I hope these fit me. I got my All Underdogs Matter shirt. Damn. Yeah, medium should be good, I think. I hope so. It's gonna shrink. What you think about this, Mom? Ready? Natural Booties Matter. And that little card, Pumpchasers card. Hey, check it out, Ray. Make form great again. I'm gonna get him excited, like make America great again. Nah, man, read it. Make form great again. Oh, this was good too. Just grind. It's kind of where I got the idea for my T-shirt, bro.
Well, it's rare, all right. I show no one in New York City with that condition. It was a long shot.
This one says, oh yeah, this one says, no swinging, no jerking. Something about let the muscles do the work. Oh, look at this one, bro. This is a good one too. All Underdogs Matter. And then this one too. What you think about this? With all this BBL going around, Brazilian butt lifts, I'm a rocket, bro. Even though it's summertime, I'm a rocket. That's it.
That's it. Sean, that goes.
Oh,
Thank you, man.
I wasn't recording.
What?
It wasn't recording.
No, it is.
Oh, it is?
Oh no.
I'm sorry.